Morning, Patty.
Good morning. A lot cooler today and even cooler weather ahead tomorrow. Right now we have temperatures in the 50s throughout the valley, clouds on the way, and a chance of rain by tonight. Details coming up. Doesn't this look good behind me? A little veggie barbecue action going on. Well, if you're going to be doing that this weekend, I'll have your full forecast because it's going to be some pretty nice grilling weather. Details coming up. And high temperatures today, not too shabby. We got up into the 80s for much of the valley, and even the Sierra climbed up into the lower 70s. But tomorrow, everybody's going to be warmer. I'll have your forecast coming up next. Makes me want to go for a bike ride right now.
That is out of the question. You have to wait till Darren.
We need you a few more hours. And I ride, so you handle it all.
Okay.
Look, there's a clicker, there's a green wall over there. It's called the chroma key. Just go over there and point.
Okay.
No problem. Flip a couple of coins.
We got Betty Souza filling in while Darren Peck is on vacation with a nice hot weekend forecast.
Yeah, we're looking at mid to upper 90s, but at least it'll be dry for everything outside. And you know, everybody likes to turn on the barbecue.
Sure.
Written inside. Okay, now that's out of the way. Patty, it's going to be a very nice day today.
No, it's going to be a nice day today. All right, I'll tell you all about the nice day. We're going to have cooler weather. We have a chance of some rain. We even have 60s in the forecast, so don't go away. Just stay tuned. We'll have it for you coming up. Never too early to look at the weekend on a Sunday coming up, don't you think, Mark?
Yeah, well, absolutely. Hey, Patty, you know, Dennis is a big A's fan. We got to know, Giants, A's, which way you're going here?
Padres. How about that?
Not going to make the San Francisco
All right,
Giants. Hey, either way, Giants or the Oakland
Patty, our weather
A's.
here, you said perfect?
I think it's perfect. I think all weather is beautiful, even wind.
No matter what, it's always beautiful.
It is.
Weather is your child?
Weather is my little child, yes.
She doesn't pick one day better than another. Rain, snow, sun, it's all the same.
I have some preferences, and I think this forecast we have coming up this week has all of those because we're talking about some very comfortable weather. Hey, I snapped this. I'm not acting like I'm a photographer, okay, but I snapped this. Well, yesterday I was. I snapped this with my iPhone. No filter, but can you two tell me what kind of a leaf this is?
A fancy one.
A tree leaf.
Okay, boy, they're on it. We are on it, Master Gardeners. We have the maple, and
okay. Good to know.
Yeah, I wanted to share some of these pictures. This is in Southland Park. It's just so beautiful. Yesterday was a fantastic day. We had mid-80s, sunshine. There's a lot of pollen out there, but the good news, we do have a little rain in the forecast later tonight and tomorrow, and as a result, it should lower the pollen just a little bit. But look at this trend over the next 7 days. So today I'm forecasting 75 in Sacramento. Much of the valley will be in the mid-70s. Clouds. Look at tomorrow. Don't put away the sweaters or the jackets yet because you might need it tomorrow. 66 the high, and then we go back up into the 70s midweek, dip back down for the weekend,
We got
and
not
a
only
chance
the county fair here opening this weekend, but also the big music festival, and we're going to have appropriately warm weather for that. Yeah.
It's always warm, right? Even hot. But yeah, that's exactly what we're going to see. It's better than a washout. We have so many fun things going on. So we're going to see a lot of 90s and some sun, but there are some changes in the forecast, and we'll talk about that in a couple of minutes.
All right, we got Rich DeMuro, our tech guy, joining us at the end of this hour.
Patty, back to you.
All right, we'll do our traffic cameras, Patty, if we need to try to locate that helicopter.
I know. I saw the helicopter just before it went on its way. It's too bad because it was pretty cool, but that was a nice little experiment we just saw. All right, our traffic camera showing some great weather in the Sierra. This is Ski Run in South Lake Tahoe, and I call it barbecue weather because we're heading into one of the biggest barbecue weekends of the year, this and Labor Day. Well, what am I thinking? Of course, July 4th. Either way, we're going to have some really nice weather. Partly cloudy in the Sierra this morning. We actually had a few showers in South Lake Tahoe earlier. And this is our El Dorado County camera. Just beautiful out there, and a little bit of a breeze in some of our foothill locations. Sacramento right now, we have a temperature of 62, 47 in South Lake Tahoe, Modesto, and Stockton. We have 64. Futurecast, as you watch the timestamp, at lunchtime today, a few showers heading to the south toward the southern Sierra and central Sierra. Tomorrow morning, commute, dry, clear. Then as we head into Saturday, if you're heading to the mountains to do some camping, you may see some showers in the high Sierra Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. Otherwise, it should be dry. And this is my 7-day trend for Sacramento and the valley. High temperature today, 90. We get up to 94 tomorrow. Mid-90s Saturday and Sunday. And then finally back into the 80s, which, by the way, is where we should be this time of year, on Tuesday and Wednesday. So really nice, warm, sunny forecast for the 3-day holiday weekend. Paul?
Quickly, and Patty Souza, you're in with weather tonight. We know very dry conditions out there, and everyone needs to be safe.
Yeah, that's true. We're heading into the peak of fire season over the next 3 to 4 months, and obviously we're in an extreme drought across the region. So just be really cautious and thoughtful and mindful when you're out and about because it's very easy to start fires this time of year. And so we should go ahead and toss it over live at the Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland to Dr. Jim Garvin. He's the chief scientist with NASA. And it's a pleasure to have you on our newscast this morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Well, thanks for having me, Patty.
So tell us about this whole scenario. It's a brand new meteor show, and I should say shower as well as show. It's going to be quite an amazing thing to see across North America. Tell us a little bit about it and when this comet was discovered.
Well, this is a short period comet. It's of a family called
Aaron,
the
no
Jupiter
reason
class.
to complain about today's weather, Patty.
No. No, actually.
Thank you, Patty. We'll go back.
And back to you. Wait, I flipped my quarter. It was sunny. See you later. Oh, I shouldn't make it sound that easy. When might not be a need for the weathercaster. All right, let's take a look at our allergy report for today. I keep talking about the fact that we're going to get a little bit of rain tonight, very scattered. But there's some good things about this rain. Not only do we need the rain, but sometimes it can knock some of that pollen out of the air. So for those of you who are sniffling and sneezing this time of year, scratchy eyes, the tree pollens are very high, grass and weeds high, and mold is low. And it's the pine pollens right now with the trees that are really kind of causing the problem. Okay, so rain. I'm very excited about this because, well, I'm a meteorologist and we like when there's weather to talk about, and we have a little bit to talk about. We have the clouds swinging into the northwest part of the state. This is part of a weak frontal system, and there's a little bit of rain over the coastal mountains, and I think we're not going to see the rain during the day today. Even for the evening commute, I think we'll stay dry. Tomorrow morning, I think it's a different story. We'll see very scattered showers. This is not a huge storm. Maybe a tenth of an inch of rain or two for some of you, and we may even see some thunderstorms the first part of the day tomorrow. Okay, so just be ready for that. But again, just hit and miss. There's that system all the way out into the Pacific, and then as we look at the water vapor imagery, you can see it clearly defined right in there. All right, so our forecast today, it's about 10 degrees cooler than what we had yesterday for Easter, 75. Mostly cloudy, and again, rain, but I think it'll come in later tonight around bedtime or maybe even when you're sleeping. And again, it's not going to be a ton of rain. And then as we take a look at your extended forecast, if we don't see much rain tonight and early tomorrow, we have another chance on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and all week temperatures in the 70s and 60s. So it's going to be a little bit cooler this week. Back to you guys.
All right, Patty,
and
thank
the Delta,
you.
and as we take a look at conditions with our future cast, whether we're going to see clouds or any precipitation over the next couple of days, I'm going to start it out at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then we're going to have a little bit of coastal cloud cover and fog, maybe a little drizzle. Inland, nothing for Sacramento tomorrow. Much of the valley stays dry. Watch what happens, though. Tomorrow we warm up, dry, clear. And then as we head through Monday afternoon, same scenario in the valley and the foothills, but the high Sierra, we could see a few showers and thunderstorms developing, and that's Monday. I think the best chance for the next few days will be Monday in the mountains. And then Tuesday, the onshore flow returns, and it starts to cool us down, and we'll see a little bit of cloud cover, possibly moving on inland for the morning hours, a little bit of that marine layer, and then it should clear out. So your forecast looks fairly nice tonight. 56 degrees, cools down, mostly clear, and a light breeze out of the west, 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, your Sunday, maybe it's your second day off, your weekend, 93 degrees. Today we hit 89, so we're going to be a little warmer tomorrow, and then quite a bit warmer as we head through next week toward the weekend. We'll get to that in a second. Let's talk about the rest of this weekend, though. So 90s tomorrow. In the foothills, we'll see 80s, in the Sierra 70s. And then as we head through your Monday, 87, onshore flow really picks up. Mid-80s on Tuesday, a few clouds. And then we start a warming trend on Wednesday, 92, 96 Thursday, 95 Friday, and Saturday. A week from today, I think it'll be the hottest day in my 7-day forecast with 97 degrees. So looks pretty good. We have a little bit of everything in there except for heavy rain. That's about it for now. Back to you.